Welcome to Weekend Wonders, where I discuss and share about new AI tools under 2 minutes. This week's AI tool is palette.fm. You can colorize your black and white pictures in this tool, and it has a free version where you get unlimited free colorizations, but the max size is 500px by 500px and one free HD credit. There will be no watermarks and commercial licensing is available for that. If you go to the paid plans, it gives more credits. Now let's just upload our image here. I'll be choosing this black and white image to show you the full capability of this filter. You can see the filters are getting loaded. There is base palette, lavender dust, colorful memories and many others. And it looks pretty awesome. Let's try the other filters also. They take a little bit time to get loaded, so I'm just selecting them on random. I like this colorful memories, good colors. This cinematic shades is also pretty interesting. Yeah, playful pop. And not that much to my taste. Let's try out lively floral. That's 2 minutes for today. See you on the next week. Bye bye.